Hello students, I am Mrs. Ganga Ambure from Sant Tukaram National Model School, and today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic of English grammar, and the name of our topic is conjunctions. But before teaching this topic, I am going to tell you one story. So let's move towards our story.
This is the story of your favorite cartoon characters, Motu and Patlu. One day, Motu and Patlu met a magician. They saw he could join the broken things, he could make it new. So, both of them were surprised to see this. They decided to test him. They decided to show him some broken things and to ask him to join those broken things. Motu showed him one broken pencil and asked him, "Can you join this broken pencil?" Magician said, "Yes, I can join this broken pencil also." And he started his magic. And within a few moments, he joined that broken pencil. Pencil also became happy. It was dancing with happiness as it has become new. Patlu was still confused. He was thinking, and they decided to show him now one broken pot. So Patlu showed him one broken pot and asked him, "Can you join this broken pot?" Magician said, "Yes, I can join this broken pot also." And he started his magic, and within a few moments he joined that broken pot. Pot also became happy. It was dancing with happiness. It was jumping. Motu and Patlu, both of them were surprised. They were very surprised. And they made one plan. They decided to show him that thing which he cannot join. So Patlu had an idea. They decided to show him two words, Ram, Sham, and they asked him to join these words. Magician said, "Yes, it's very easy for me. I will join these words with my magic." And he started his magic and he joined those words. He took those words, the words Ram, Sham, and he joined these words like Ram and Sham. Motu and Patlu, both of them were shocked to see this, and they asked him, "How did you join these words?" Magician said, "It's very simple. For joining these words, I have used some magic words. In my bag, I have some magic words. The words like and, or, but, so, and with these words, I can join not only the words but also sentences." So students, have you seen? Magician has used some magic words to join two words. Do you know these words? Have you seen these words? So do you know what is the power of these words? So in our today's video, I am going to tell you what these words are called. These words are called conjunctions. We call it conjunctions. So let us have some information about conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words or connecting words. They join two words or two sentences. What is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words or connecting words. What is the power of them? Their power is to join the two words or two sentences. Do you know, in our everyday life, we have a Fevicol, Fevikwik. To join the broken things, we use the Fevicol, Fevikwik. In the same way, in our English grammar, we have conjunctions to join two words or two sentences. In other words, we can say that conjunctions are like fevicols or feviquicks. Let us have some examples of conjunctions. Our first example is and, but, or, so, because. We have some conjunctions. These are the examples of conjunctions and, but, or, so, because. These are the examples of conjunctions, and these conjunctions are used to join two words or two sentences. Let us see how these conjunctions join two words or two sentences. So we have the first example of girls. First one is Madhu and the second one is Priya. Let us join these two words with conjunctions and the words become Madhu and Priya. Let us have another example of two boys. First one is Sahil. Next one is Raghav. Let us join these two words with conjunctions and the words become Sahil and Raghav. We have seen how to join two words with conjunctions. Now let us see how to join sentences with conjunctions. So we have the first example. Sam plays guitar. Sam plays drums. Let us join these two sentences with conjunctions and the sentence it becomes Sam plays guitar and drums. Let's have next example. We have two sentences. First one is I want to go to play. Next sentence is I am sick. Both the sentences, if we observe, they express an opposite idea. So let us join these two sentences with conjunctions. And the sentence it becomes I want to go to play but I am sick. We have joined these two sentences with the conjunction but. We have used the conjunction but as these sentences express opposite ideas. Let's have another example. First one, Sam was hungry. Next one, he ate the entire pizza. Let us join these two sentences with conjunction and the sentence it becomes Sam was hungry, so he ate the entire pizza. We have joined these two sentences with the conjunction so. We have used the conjunction so to show the result of action. Sam was hungry. As a result, he ate the entire pizza. So, when we have to show the result of action, we use the conjunction so. Our next example is, we have two sentences. Ritesh could go to the market at 9 a.m. Ritesh could go to the park at 9 a.m. Let us join these two sentences with conjunction and the sentence it becomes Ritesh could go to the market or park at 9 a.m. We have joined these two sentences with the conjunction or. Or is the conjunction we use to join two possibilities or two alternatives. Or we can say or is the conjunction it connects two possibilities or two alternatives. And our last example is she got a trophy. She worked hard. We have joined these two sentences with the conjunction because. Because is the conjunction, it is used to show the reason of action. So, she got a trophy. What is the reason for that? She worked hard. This is the reason. And that's why we have joined these two sentences with the conjunction because. Because is the conjunction, it is used to show the reason of action. In this way, students, we have seen various examples to show how conjunctions connect two words or two sentences.
So students, through this video, we have learned conjunctions meaning of conjunctions and some examples of conjunctions. We have also seen how conjunctions join two words together or two sentences together. I hope you have understood this information about conjunctions. Thank you and have a nice day.